Imagine an AI that understands text, images, audio, and video together. That's multimodal AI, making machines think more intelligently today. Unlike traditional AI, multimodal AI combines different information types simultaneously, improving understanding and context, and overall decision-making accuracy significantly. Analyze this drone.
The AI analyzes both. It produces smarter answers using combined information. Humans naturally combine vision, hearing, and language. Multimodal AI mimics this ability. This leads to more effective understanding. Let's find out how. Traditional AI handles one data type. Multimodal AI combines many. This delivers richer understanding and more accurate responses. It consistently provides intelligent responses. Doctors combine medical scans, patient records, and voice notes, using multimodal AI for healthcare. This leads to faster, smarter healthcare decisions every day. Self-driving cars combine cameras, radar, and GPS together. This helps vehicles safely understand road environments. They analyze complex environments in real time.
Students upload notes, diagrams, and questions. Multimodal AI explains concepts using text, voice, and visual examples together effectively. Virtual assistants understand facial expressions, gestures, and speech together. This makes conversations feel much more natural. Security systems analyze video, sounds, and sensors simultaneously, detecting suspicious activities more accurately while reducing unnecessary false alarms. Customer support becomes smarter by understanding screenshots, typed messages, documents, and spoken conversations together for quicker issue resolution. Shopping assistants identify products from photos and understand voice requests, delivering personalized recommendations within seconds based on your preferences. Travel assistants translate speech, recognize signs, and explain landmarks simultaneously, making international travel easier and more enjoyable for everyone. Content creators automatically generate captions, summaries, thumbnails, and translations from uploaded videos using advanced multimodal AI capabilities. Factories combine machine sounds, camera feeds, and sensor readings, predicting equipment failures before expensive breakdowns occur unexpectedly. Different neural networks process text, images, audio, and video before combining everything into one powerful AI understanding system. Each input becomes mathematical embeddings, helping AI discover meaningful relationships between completely different types of information with remarkable accuracy. Transformer models enabled multimodal AI to learn connections across different data types, improving reasoning and contextual understanding dramatically. Training multimodal AI requires billions of paired images, videos, audio recordings, and text examples collected from diverse sources worldwide. Powerful GPUs train massive AI models for weeks, enabling deep understanding across multiple forms of information and complex reasoning tasks. Modern AI assistants already analyze photos, answer spoken questions, summarize videos, and understand documents with impressive accuracy every day. Healthcare, education, finance, manufacturing, and retail industries increasingly rely on multimodal AI to improve efficiency and customer experiences globally.
Challenges include computational costs, massive datasets, privacy concerns, and ensuring AI remains fair, secure, and trustworthy for everyone.
Responsible AI requires transparency, secure data handling, reduced bias, and human oversight to build trustworthy, intelligent systems for society. Future classrooms may feature AI tutors, understanding speech, handwriting, and emotions, personalizing education for every student.
Hospitals will combine wearable devices, medical images, conversations, and health records to deliver highly personalized patient care efficiently. Future robots will see, hear, and understand surroundings, collaborating with humans across homes, hospitals, factories, and workplaces safely.
Researchers continue building smarter AI systems, capable of reasoning across unlimited information types, while continuously learning from new experiences.
Multimodal AI combines text, images, audio, and video intelligent system, enabling machines to understand the world around us. Welcome to the future of multimodal AI is shaping the future. Like, subscribe, and follow AI in 60 seconds for more exciting AI explanations.